If you're a broiler farmer and you want your broilers to grow very fast and bigger in size, or perhaps you want to sell your broilers in a short period of time and you want them to have massive weight, the weight you carry and it will touch you that you are carrying heavy load. This particular video is for you. In this particular video, I'm going to guide you on how to grow your broilers very fast with simple organic waste from palm fruit. This particular content is not only for broilers alone. If you're a livestock farmer, you are into broilers, you are into broilers, or fast-growing farm animals like pig, goat, sheep, cow, this particular video is for you. You want them to have massive weight. Fast meat animals, broilers and goats. Please watch the video till the end. This is how to boost your broiler growth and weight with banga extract. Banga is from palm fruit. Watch the video, you see the palm fruit here. This is from banga seed. We call it palm fruit seed. I'm going to guide you on how to process the palm fruits to get that extract that you need to feed your broilers to have massive weight in a short period of time. So watch the video till the end so that you get the best from it. I'll also give you the nutritional value of banga extract that will help you to grow your broilers and farm animals fast. All the nutritional values, how to process it, and the dosage is going to be discussed in this particular video, and it's advisable you watch it to the end. Thank you. Let's go there. Powerful broiler fattener with banga water. Ultimate broiler fattener. Boost your broiler growth and weight with banga water extract. What you're seeing on the video here is banga seed, and these are the waste from banga tree. That is the palm fruit tree. These are the waste you can get from palm fruit. All these waste are useful in poultry and livestock farming. I will discuss the remaining, these ones you are seeing here, and I will discuss them in a later video, concluding very soon. These are the part of the banga fruit. I will discuss what you are seeing on the screen in a later video, but for this particular video, we are discussing banga seed extract. That is the water that is extracted from washing banga seed during the processing period. So you are going to know how to use it to boost your broiler weight and fatten your broilers and other meat animals very quickly. That water is not a waste. It is very useful. Powerful broiler fattener with banga water. Ultimate broiler fattener. Boost your broiler growth with banga water extract. What you are seeing on the screen right now is the banga extract. That is the water you get or that you derive during the palm oil processing series. This is the water after washing the main oil. This is the extract. These people pour this away. If you know about palm fruit or palm oil processing, this particular water is being poured away. Most people don't know that it is useful in broiler farming, and not even broiler farming alone. Meat animal farming like pig, you can use this to grow them very fast because it contains a lot of minerals and vitamins that can boost your broilers, turkeys, most especially meat animals very fast. So in this particular video, I'm going to expose most of these things to you so that you know how to make use of them. You stop pouring them away, or you know whoever has it, you can now go and gather them from that person and make use of it. People pour this away. Banga water or palm fruit water, also known as palm fruit water, is the liquid extract obtained from the cooking or processing of palm fruit. It contains a rich blend of nutrients and biotic compounds that can significantly benefit poultry and livestock animals when incorporated into their diet. The following are the analysis of its nutritional composition and medicinal properties in poultry and livestock, most especially for meat animals, fast-growing meat animals like broilers, pig, goat, sheep, cow, and rest of them. It has essential fatty acids. Banga water extract contains small amount of palm oil residues, which are rich in unsaturated fatty acid like oleic acid. This promotes energy supply and improve feed efficiency in poultry and livestock. It has carbohydrates. It contains simple sugar that provides a quick source of energy, particularly useful for high-performance animals such as broilers and pigs. It has vitamin A, derived from carotenoic compound in palm fruit. It is vital for vision, immunity, and growth in animals. It has vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant that enhances immune function, reduces stress, and improves meat and egg quality in poultry and livestock. It has the following minerals. Potassium. Potassium is essential for muscle contraction and electrolyte balance. It has magnesium and calcium. Magnesium and calcium is very important for bone development and eggshell formation in poultry birds and enzyme activation in livestock animals.
Power off.
It has iron. Iron helps in oxygen transport, preventing anemia in livestock. It has fiber. Residual fibers improve digestion by stimulating gut motility, especially in ruminants. It has protein. It contains trace of protein and amino acids, which are essential for growth and repairs of body cells. It has the following medicinal properties. Digestive health. The fiber content of the banga water helps to regulate digestion in ruminants, reducing the risk of bloat and improving nutrient absorption. The biotic compound in banga water can aid in the maintenance of a healthy gut microbiota. Banga water is an immune booster. It is very rich in antioxidants like tocopherols and carotenoids. It enhances the immune system of poultry and livestock animals, helping them resist infections and diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. The compounds in palm fruit water, such as phytochemicals, possesses anti-inflammatory properties that reduce oxidative stress and inflammations in livestock animals. It helps in weight gain and energy source for poultry and livestock animals. The residual oils and fatty acid provide a concentrate energy source that promotes faster weight gain, especially in broilers and other meat livestock animals like pigs, goats, sheep, cattle, turkeys, and other livestock raised for meat. It improves reproductive health. The vitamin A in banga water supports reproductive performance in layers and breeding animals, most especially farmers that are into breeding of day-old chicks. It enhances the fertility and hatchability of poultry eggs. Natural deworming properties. There is a lot of evidence that suggests that banga water may reduce the parasitic load in livestock when used consistently. Liver health. The antioxidants help to detoxify the liver, which is essential for efficient metabolism and overall health. It has the following benefits to specific animals, most especially poultry. For poultry, it promotes faster growth in broilers by improving energy intake and feed conversion. It enhances egg quality and yolk pigmentation in layers due to carotenoids. It reduces oxidative stress, especially in birds raised in hot climates. So if you are in a hot zone and you want to rear your broilers and you have this particular palm fruit in your area, look for this banga water and make use of it during the hot period. It's going to help you to curtail the stress level and at the same time maximize feed conversion and feed efficiency in your broiler birds. If you are into ruminants like cattle, goat, sheep, and others, banga water improves rumen function by supplying additional fiber and energy. It reduces digestive disorders like acidosis and bloat. It enhances meat production in dairy animals. If you are into swine, it provides an energy-dense feed supplement for fattening pigs. It enhances gut health and immunity, reducing susceptibility to infections. How to use the banga extract? Please, if you have palm fruit in your area, or you have any palm fruit processing zone, this particular water is not sold in the market. You can get it free from them. How to prepare it? Extract banga water by boiling palm fruit and straining the liquid. Ensure it is free from contaminants and does not contain excessive residues. Inclusion in the diet. Add as liquid supplement mixed with feed or water. You can still buy this palm fruit seed from the market. Boil it very well. You can buy up to 5 kg of it, because the palm fruit seed has both the palm kernel and other coverings of the palm fruit seed. But what is useful here, we are discussing here, is the water, that is the extract. How do you get the extract? Boil the palm fruit seed up to 30 minutes. Let it boil properly. After boiling, pound it with mortar. Then pour 5 liters of water into it. The 5 liters of water, then use it to rinse the seed that you have pounded very well. Wash the seed properly and extract the juice. The juice is mixed with oil, but it is yellowish in color. You can see the color here. Then extract this water and add an additional 5 liters of water again to make it up to 10 liters and use it to feed your 100 broilers for complete 24 hours. You can still store the excess of this water in refrigerator. It is highly nutritional. It is very beneficial for broiler farmers and pig farmers also. Please stop pouring away this water. But if you are in a palm fruit processing zone where they process palm oil, after washing this water, they pour the water away. So what you do, gather 10 liters of this water, put it in a container for your broilers. After giving them feed them with this water for complete 5 days. If you have it in abundance, store the remaining one for safety. Feed them with this water for 5 complete days. You are going to get maximum weight of your broiler within a short period of time because of the nutritional value of this banga water. The banga water has a lot of fatty acids, up to 90% fat. Please, if you are in a region where you get this banga water free, don't overuse it, please. Use with caution because it has a lot of fat in it. I know most of us like free items. Please, for the fact that you get it free does not mean you have to continue feeding them continuously. Avoid overfeeding, as excess oil or residues might cause digestive upset. Always ensure the water is clean and free of mold and rancid smells. Please use within 24 hours. The remaining ones should be stored in a refrigerator to preserve it so that it will not damage. This banga water is both as medicinal and as food also. It's both organic medicinal and organic food also, because it has a lot of nutrient in it. It has 85 to 90% moisture content. High water content keeps animal hydrated and aid in feed digestion. It has crude fat, 4 to 8%, which is lipid, energy-rich source from palm oil residues, support weight gain and energy. It has crude protein, 1 to 3%, contains small amount of plant-based protein for growth and repairs. It contains 2 to 5% carbohydrates. It contains 1 to 2% fiber, which improve digestion and gut motility, especially for ruminants. It has ash, 1 to 3%, which include potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron for strong bones and muscles. It has vitamin A, carotenoids, which boost immunity, enhances reproductive, and improve yolk pigmentation. It has vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and supports immunity. This is for me to clarify you the importance and health benefit and nutritional value of this particular banga water. It is not a repetition. That's what most of you will call this is repetition. Please, if you don't want to watch this area, one good thing you should note about this one banga extract is that one, it is free. It is something you can get free without spending money, and the energy level of this banga water is superb. 1,200 to 1,500 calories per kg, which is a very good source, especially beneficial for broilers and pigs. You know, broilers need enough energy for them to eat. Banga water is an affordable, nutrient-rich byproduct that can significantly enhance the health and productivity of poultry and livestock. Its combination of energy, vitamins, minerals, and medicinal properties make it a valuable addition to animal diet. Please share this video to reach more farmers, and if you like this content, please give it a thumb up. If you're a broiler farmer and you want to make use of this, drop your comment on the comment section. Let's discuss further about it. Let this video reach more farmers, please. And if you have failed in getting heavyweight broilers last season, this is the best opportunity for you. Ask me on the comment section if you're a broiler farmer, and if you just stock your broilers at this month, please let me know on the comment section that I will guide you on how to start with this particular banga water. It is very beneficial. If you are a broiler farmer or noiler farmer, or you are into hybrid turkey, that is imported turkey, that you want them to grow very fast and fat, this is what you're going to make use of. Tell me on the comment section, let me guide you more on how to go about it. If you are yet to register with our channel membership, do that right now so that you get the best benefit from this particular channel. Channel registration is open. Just use your card and do the right thing to join the channel membership so that you get the best from this channel. Thank you for watching. Share this video to reach more farmers. Give it a thumb up. Drop your comment on the comment section, and let's continue from there. Bye for now.